I mean, normal charging port. And then when you put siguro your... Ayan, nagsi-charge. Yun lang. Nothing special. Just durability and brand. O tapos, ano? Ay, ito. Oh. Nakikita niyo pa ba ako? Gagi. Hello amigos, and today's video we're going to unbox another product from Sony. Yes, and if you see our PS5 unboxing, nandyan guys, you can see it here. And today guys, we have a upgrade para sa ating PlayStation 5. Pero hindi naman siya kind of like upgradability talaga na maganda. Something add-on na talaga pag maarte kang tao, gano'n. At marami kang nakikita sa store. Have here the product from Data Blitz. Ayan, thank you very much Data Blitz. Di siya sponsor, pero baka naman. So we have here, first is our first upgrade, which is very essential talaga sa atin as a console. So first time naman as in, this is the we need when we have a PlayStation, which is rechargeable dapat, diba? So we have here the PlayStation Sony DualSense charging station. Ayan, we have here. So let's unbox it na. So inside guys, we have here na magcha-charge yung dalawang controller mo. It costs 1,690 pesos. Binili ko siya kasi medyo mura naman talaga siya yung charging port. Dalawa yung item natin ngayon. Ay, I love boxes kaya. So same din, may mga pulling something na naman sila basta PlayStation, basta Sony yung brand na bibilhin mo. Meron kasi ibang brand like the Adobe. So we have here the instructions and for sure the warranty. Next is our may own adapter siya guys. So meron siyang own adapter. Yan. Napaka naman ito. May adapter siya. Tapos meron pa siyang ganito. Ilalagay mo dito. Taksakan. Plug? Okay ba to? So maliit lang talaga siya. Maliit lang oh. Oh, ganito lang talaga siya. Hindi siya umiilaw for sure. Maganda dito is tatak Sony. Yan. Ito available slot for your controller. Maganda siya kasi gloss. Same talaga sa PlayStation na binili ko. Ano lang, parang ganyan. Then you can put your controller here. Diba? Or here. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Isasaksak mo siya dito guys, sa ilalim. Ayan. Yun. And then, ang hirap kasi maraming plug-ins sa saksakan. Okay lang din. Let's try it on, guys. So, pag isaksak mo siya, guys, wala naman siyang lumalabas na color. Just a normal adapter. I mean, normal charging port. And then, when you put siguro your... Ayan, nagsi-charge. Yun lang. Nothing special. Just durability and brand. Nagsi-charge na siya. Ayan. Tagal ko din naglaro eh. So next up here is very exciting part for me and for you guys. It's their kind of like LED lights ng PlayStation. So akalain mo yun, meron na sila ngayon. So we have here the PlayStation Paladon, yung collaborated brands din nila is the Icon Light XL, which is yung kinuha ko kasi ngayong PS5 talaga. Meron itong available na other color, which is yung original na PlayStation talaga, yung apat na color. So ngayon guys, yung binili ko is yung white lang. Ito siya, then umiilaw siyang ganito. So it costs 1,995 pesos. Mas mahal pa siya kasi sa charging port ko. Pero okay lang din for my background siguro pag nag-stream. Let's unbox it now. Oh my gosh, so malaki plug siya. So we have here yung instructions and siguro yung warranty na naman. And then the C-type. Ay, hindi siya C-type guys. It's the isa. Basta ito yung ano niya oh. Basta ganito. So, wala nang laman. So cute. Look. Okay. Tayo on guys. Wait long. So we have here, isaksak na siya. Ayan. O tapos ano? Ay, ito. Oh. Nakikita niyo pa ba ako, Gagi? Hindi niyo ako nakikita. Very light talaga siya, oh. If you nakikita, color blue siya. And then, meron siyang tatlong color daw. Ayan. O tapos, oh, gumaganon siya, oh. Lumilipat-lipat. Okay. So, lastly, dalawa lang. Akala ko may last. Ito pala. Yan. This is the last one. Yun. Yan lang. Diba? Very amazing. Amazing to the highest level. Yun lang. Ayun. Hello. So, that's all for today's video, guys. This is our new upgrade. So, medyo mahal na yung ibang upgrade nila. For sure. That's all for today's video, guys. And thank you guys very much for watching. And see you on my next unboxing vlog. Just be because peace out. Bye. Bye.
Got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.